an update on the seeds I planted. So these are the original seeds. We can see they're very small still. I think this is something different. You can see that it looks different than the other seeds, the other seedlings. This one still has nothing, so I'm beginning to think it's the soil, but I'm gonna give it another chance. This is the new from the free seeds that I planted about a week ago, and nothing happening. I've been picking out these like mulch pieces as I see them kind of come to the top, thinking maybe they may block some growth potentially. I don't know. And then here are the marigolds. They're not really growing, so I'm actually gonna apply a water soluble fertilizer today, and I'll show you guys that. Again, I think this is something else too. And then this weed was growing in my raised bed. I was taking the soil out of that, so I decided to save him. It's just a weed, but it's pretty. Purple's my favorite color. So for height, not much, but we do have some other leaves coming out. I don't think this one's kind of dying. So I went to a hydroponics garden store today, which I found out once I got in there. I never been before. It was they kind of cater to other growers, but the guy who worked there was very nice and helpful. So I didn't even go in there for potting soil, but I saw this one, and it's Malibu Compost Baby Booze Dynamic Blend Potting Soil. I'm gonna use it as a compost. You can see, has like some manure in it. I'm trying to find where the ingredients are. Maybe, oh, that's where it says ingredients. So you can see it's core and then compost. Got your doo-doo, some wood chips, yarrow, chamomile, valerian. So a lot of stuff. So they claim like you shouldn't have to add anything else to it. Fertilizer. I got the guy who worked there helped me pick it out for alrighty. So this is my measuring cup for half a gallon of water. But actually I think I'll put this in first. And let me shake it up. And I opened it and like broke the seal off camera, and this stuff stinks, so I hope that means it's good. So we're doing 2 teaspoons. 1, oops. 2. Oh, it smells horrible. Add our half gallon of water. Get that a little bit off with a spoon. I realized I don't have anything to stir it with. I just used the spoon. And I do not use these for culinary purposes. This food. See how it looks. It looks darker on the camera than it really is. So here we go. I'm not gonna put it on that one since nothing has bloomed yet. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it off of the chair. So I just finished showing you guys I was watering the seedlings outside, and I'm on the second floor of a condo, and I didn't realize my neighbor was outside with her cat on her patio, and she's like, "Excuse me, are you watering?" She's like, "I'm sorry, it's dripping on my cat." So if you see, like, later in the video, I have the plastic under the pots when I'm watering the second one. That's why, to prevent it from dripping on her. I did not realize she was outside. But anyway, I will post an update of how, like, maybe a week later, see if that fertilizer makes a difference. But in the meantime, enjoy my struggling money tree right here. And this is my purple waffle, and there's a fiddle leaf over there, but I don't want you to see my raggedy blinds. Right? Thanks for watching, and come back for an update.